Storm Team Weather Lab. Here's meteorologist Kristen Curry.
Good morning. Now, we stayed pretty lucky this week with that quiet weather, but our first real taste of that fall season arrives later tonight. Let's go ahead and get started with your forecast. We're going to start with national radar because we kind of got a lot going on today. We have that hurricane watch tropical storm warning down for portions of the Gulf Coast. Now we have a red flag warning for parts of California, but if I zoom in here, this is also a big story, is the snow falling right now in Wyoming and Colorado. We have a blizzard warning for that far southeastern corner of Wyoming, Colorado, looking at winter storm warnings and watches, as well as a high wind warning. We're also potentially looking at a severe weather outbreak in Iowa today. So a lot going on, but not necessarily here in the South Plains. Now we do have a freeze watch in effect for portions of the Panhandle, and this freeze watch does look to expand down to the southeast portions of our northwestern counties, getting that freeze watch tomorrow night. So it's getting cooler. We're getting into that fall season, but not this morning. You can take a look. We're not bad at all. 70 degrees here in Lubbock, 67 in Plainview. We're looking at 50s to the northwest and those low 70s out across the rolling plains. Now it's also very breezy. We just can't get rid of that wind with the cold front nearby. 17 miles per hour here in Lubbock, coming out of the south. Now these winds are going to swing around and come out of the north as that front gets closer to us later this evening, and it's going to be gusty. But our afternoon highs, I don't think too bad. 91 degrees here in Lubbock, 90 in Plainview. We're still way above average, but cooler temperatures definitely arrive later tonight. Check out your overnight lows. We're looking at 30s out across the northwest. Here in Lubbock, we're down to 44. Those upper 40s out over the eastern South Plains. So this is more like what we should be seeing this time of year, these cooler temperatures, and it's definitely going to stick around for at least tomorrow. Take a look, 68 degrees as our high temperature for tomorrow afternoon. Now we're also going to see those winds gust up again tomorrow, but behind that front, it's not too bad. We're going to warm up pretty quickly at that. We're looking at mid-80s to start our next work week. Now, I am going to tell you, I'm looking at another system trying to make its way in by the later part of next week, so I'll keep an eye on it, but just get ready for those cool temperatures starting tonight going into tomorrow. Now, as far as rain goes, we may see a little bit of a sprinkle in our far eastern counties tonight, but it's not going to be more than a bottle cap's worth. It's just going to be dry for the rest of us and pretty chilly.
Yeah, bundle up if you're doing the race for the cure in the morning. That is for sure. Time now for some pop news, and we